Welcome to my Sunday reset, clean with me. I'm going to show you some items that I bought from Old Time Pottery. So I'm going to be changing up my living room, which you will see a big reveal closer to the end. We're going to clean my room, get into some items that I bought, weigh in, and what I eat. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Next I have is sea moss. I paid about $20 from this Caribbean place here in Tampa, Florida. So make sure you get that. Also, I purchased the sienna leaves. So basically what I heard, well, what I saw on the internet, that is good for like a laxative. So it's non-prescription, natural laxative. The next one is frankincense. You can burn these rocks and you can also chew them. If you chew them, it will turn into gum, but it does taste like dirt, and it is good for oral health. The next one is Mauby bark, and this one here has a lot of great benefits as far as like gut health. From what I saw on YouTube, you can use it as a refreshing drink. Getting ready to do a whole new makeover to my front room. If you've been watching my videos, you would know that this is like sort of a new set. Prior to that, it was kind of like beige and it was very plain, and I had like this big table in the front room. Now I got this circular table. So yeah, girl, we getting ready to change it up. We're gonna do away with this blue carpet here. I got black and white and everything. So let me go over a few items of what I got from Old Time Pottery. Omelet maker. This one here was $14.99. It's 2 pillows. I don't know if you can see it, but the pillows have like some little detailed sparkle, which is silver. So it's like silver in here. So the theme is going to be black and white in here. So one of the things that I like about these pillows here is that they do have a zipper. 2 of these pillows here, and these cost me $9.99. So one of these pillows, so these little cute little decorative, I thought this was really cute, nice little design. So this is like a lumbar pillow, and we're going to put it on the short couch right here. This couch here is a 3-piece set. There's a longer set, but it's in the storage. So lumbar pillow, and this one here is $7.99. This nice like furry, oh, this feels so good. Oh my god. These here cost $12.99. So I mean, already a part of the set. Okay, so if I want to, I can go on Amazon and purchase like some slip covers. Picked up some curtains. These have like the silver pieces in there. So there's 2 panels, and these were $24.99. These pictures came as a set, and these were, I think they were $19.99 for these 3 right here. I like them because they had the black frame, so it's like black and white and gray. Right here. Here, the blue one, they had it at Old Time Pottery, so we knew exactly what size to get. So that was a good thing, because a lot of these the pieces came from Old Time Pottery. So this one here was $59.99. Rug here was it's a 5x7. Right here, see these blue pillow smurf looking ones. Yeah. So I'm ready to get this front room in an aesthetically pleasing as possible, because I'm more of a minimalist. I like it kind of clean and sleek, and this is just way too much color for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I don't know if I'm going to hang this up. This is black and white. This one was in my room. This has been all over. It's been repurposed all over. Alright, so let me tell you about the furniture. The blue, don't get me wrong, everything looked cute in his home, but now that he has moved back in, I will say that a lot of the items that was in his house is now in a storage. So that's where we're getting ready to put a lot of this stuff. These curtains here was already in the house. I was trying to make it more homely, but I just knew that the color scheme was just not working in my favor. It was not pleasing to the eyes the way I wanted it. Now these curtains here, as you see as I hang them up, they are extremely short. I forgot to measure my curtains. Yeah, it was pretty difficult, but I did purchase some more curtains from Amazon. As you can see, I finally put down the little area rug, and I'm trying to like get the pillows together. Nothing seemed to fit. I just felt like maybe there were too many patterns. Let me know in the comment section down below and tell me what you guys think, maybe what you would have done differently. But I will say closer to the end of the video, you will see exactly where I put those white pillows at, because they were kind of like throwing off the whole vibe. So in other words, what I had to do was phone a friend because your girl was struggling. Home decor is not my thing. So I just went on ahead and hung up the pictures, which is something that I am able to do until my friend Kim came and helped me out. My total price from Old Time Pottery was around $200. So even though I could not use the curtains, I still had to go and purchase some more curtains from Amazon, which was a longer length. So make sure you are measuring and having an idea about what you want to put in your living room, in your space, and get your measurements together instead of just purchasing and buying stuff like I did, and then now you have to repurpose them or not use them and put them in storage. Is a little on the junky side. I got clothes to wash. I got a whole lot going on today. All right, so get a little sunshine. All right, so I picked up this collagen. I had got it off of Amazon, but this is good. However, this is not plant-based. So as you can see here on the ingredients right up in there, that it does have fish in it and egg. There. So this is the smoothie starter, where it has the banana, strawberry, kiwi, and spinach. So I think they have like 2 different flavors, and these here are good. You might as well just get the whole thing. And I think I did like a little reel about it. I didn't post it yet, but I'll put it on the side. Girl, you might as well just use the whole entire batch. Like, come on. But I made like a smoothie bowl out of it, and it was so delicious. So it's crooked. I get it. All right. It's 2 pounds shy from 174, which is usually the weight that I maintain at, between 170 and 174, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I was showing you that I have been able to maintain my weight since I've been off of the semaglutide, which was Wegovy. So here I'm just going ahead and clean up my room. My room has been a big disaster since the new move-in, and there's a lot of forthcoming videos about reorganizing my closet. And since I've lost a lot of weight from Wegovy, I do need to declutter a lot of the jeans that are a little too big. So the pillows, as you notice that they were in the front room that I bought from Old Time Pottery, they are here in my room. I just decided to leave them here. Like I stated before, girl, have a creative design or some type of pattern in your head on what you want, so you're not just buying a whole lot of stuff. And it was kind of hard because he had his own vision, I had my own vision, so they were kind of like colliding. So my room had to be changed around again because of the adjustment. A lot of my stuff that you see right here was in the front area where this wall is, but you know, I had to rearrange. The TV, I went on ahead and put it in storage. As you see, my walking pad, it is behind my mirror, so it is able to be hidden where it's not in the way. I do need to get a new dresser, but yeah, I just love the idea that my home is starting to feel like a home again, and it's complete with all of us in there again. Here's my boy Rodney. I just had to play him in the background. I need to change these chair covers. My other dining room set is in the storage, so I did what I can do. This is what I'm working with. I'll show you the other side a little bit later, so just make sure you keep watching. So this is the finished product of what the room looks like. That clutterization, I need to change that up, but right now this is what it's going to do, and I need to get a dresser and ignore that hair piece. This is the smoothie that I was showing you a little bit earlier that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was a nice little snack to have in between of me doing all of that cleaning. And yes, my body was very sore the next day. So here is the living room again. Everything is nice and neat. I got my long curtains, and this is what, you know, the two pictures I put on the side just to make it a little bit more cozy. I still have some things to do in the kitchen to, you know, make it blend in with the living room, but so far this is what I have and I like it. But right now it'll do. This 5 and below table here and these color pattern schemes, that's what he want. He just left it there. I just let him have his way. This came from Dollar General. It smells so good, and it does like creates this cozy vibe. So check it out at the at Dollar General. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.